We're making a quick store run. We got shit to do. We got shit to get. We got shit to do. Alright guys, so it's just so funny how I come on camera and I just be looking any kind of way. Let me put some lip gloss on. I can't be looking like that bad. I'm actually going on a store run to go get a few things. And basically what I'm about to go get is some perm. Yes, some perm. I'm tired of my hair being how it is right now. I'm kind of over it. I'm sick of it. I just recently dyed my hair black, and I haven't did that in a long time. Well, I've actually never did that while my hair was short. So me and my baby, you know, just threw something on to go to the store real quick since it's down the street. And yeah. About to go give me some nice good old perm. I've never permed my hair before, so we're about to see how this goes. Alright, so he's throwing a fit. We're here. And I'm about to roll up these windows so we can go. I don't know what the heck's going on my radio. But yeah, I'm about to go see what's up in the store. So I didn't tell you guys what happened. He wet his pants in the car. Just spilled water all over his clothes, so I had to change them before we came in here. I need to get this for a wig that I'm gonna dye, and I think this is it. I'm gonna liquid hair color. So I didn't find anything I was looking for in the store either. I think it was like all sold out, so I picked up one thing that I did need in there, but it was just wouldn't make any sense to just keep shopping in there if I could just go to another store and get everything all at once. And plus, he was running around acting a fucking fool. But I'm just gonna go to another store and just try to get something out of there. And hopefully this all works out as planned. The perms that they had that were in there makes your hair absolutely straight. I'm not trying to make my hair absolutely straight. I don't know what I'm trying to do. I'm just about to experiment this right now because I was watching this girl's YouTube channel and she was doing it to her hair and it looked bad. Oh no, I need to get over it. Oh, they're so kind. Oh, they're so kind. My YouTube channel. I just saw you guys earlier in the video, but I didn't do an intro. So finally, after a trillion hours, I finally got what I was looking for, which was this. I seen it on, I don't remember her name, but I'm gonna put her channel on here. I seen it on her freaking channel that she did the Just For Me perm on her hair. I've never done a perm before. The reason why I want to do a perm is because honestly, like, my hair is so thick. I mean, like, my hair is curly, but it's so freaking thick. And I haven't been feeling like doing it in the past, like, few days. Like, I'll do my hair like once a week. And it'll just poof up and be frizzy and all this stuff. And I'll just wear a hat. And then, you know, I'd be having hat hair. And I just don't be feeling like doing my hair anymore. I got this to make it easier to tame, I guess. Comment down below if you ever permed your hair. I really am not about to know what I'm doing. I don't know what I'm doing, actually. So I'm just about to hope for the best. And if anything, you know, I'm just gonna wear my wigs, you know, if I go bald. I'm just gonna pray that I don't go bald. Boom, just for me. Now, what comes in the box is the shampoo. Okay, let me go step one. I'm so confused. Like, I'm scared now. This is a lot. Like, this is really a lot. Alright, so this is the anti-breakage nourishing oil treatment. This is some powder or some liquid, some cream, texture cream. Boom, right says step A. Step 2 is the shampoo. Step 1 is the liquid. I'm about to fail. Like, this is about to go bad for me. I can feel it. I can feel it. I can really feel it. It's really about to go bad for me. Like, where's the directions? I'm not liking this right now. I'm really not. I thought it was going to be a 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. I really thought it was going to be like a little 1, 2, 3 step. So I'm going to open this. And I don't know if I want you guys to see the struggle that I'm going to go through. This fell out of it. When I take my hat off, like, please don't freaking laugh, because I really haven't done my hair in like a week. Like, I just be going to work and just do my job, you know, like, first time. Like, this is Spanish. This is Spanish too. Oh my God, you must carefully follow these instructions to avoid skin and scalp burns.
Permanent hair loss, blindness, eye injury.
Wide tooth comb, towels, timer or clock, Vaseline, and hair clamps. So let me go get that. Check scalp carefully for scratches, irritation, or sores. Blase. Okay, how do you mix this shit is what I want to know. Should I do a strand test or should I just wing it? I might have just winged it. I haven't put it on YouTube, but I actually have I did a lot of hair colors. I did pink, purple, green, red, all different types of hair colors when I cut my hair off. So now it's black right now. So I'm just tired of it. I'm tired of doing it. I'm tired. I really should let it grow out, but it's annoying. It's just annoying. So. Step 2, this is 1B. Ooh, that smells like bleach. You think I should comb my hair out? After you put your liquid activator in, you're gonna stir with the stick that they give you. You feed me. I really don't want to show y'all my hair right now. Let me show y'all the back. See how nasty that is? Y'all haven't did my hair in days. It's so annoying. Like, I'm gonna pull my hair out. I need to stop. Like, 4 to 5 minutes, because I'm scared. I don't need my hair being bone straight, and I do not need my hair fucking falling out. Let me go ahead and put this little petroleum jelly on my shit. No, I'm just gonna do it. Alright, y'all, I can't. So it's on there. Now, I'm about to get ready to hop in the shower because I don't want my hair to be bone straight. That was ratchet. So look, I'm out the shower and let's talk about it. My hair is coming out, guys. Look, I'm not joking. My hair is coming out. I'm gonna be bald. Look, watch how much hair I gather up. I literally left it on for 2 minutes. I'm going bald. Like, it's not, I'm laughing, but it's really not even funny. Like, did I do something wrong? I'm just so confused. I've never permed my hair before. So, honestly, like, I really don't even understand what's going on right now. That's all I could think about right now is about my hair falling out. Didn't do nothing to it but make it thinner, which I kind of really wanted because I couldn't. But this ain't it, honey. Whatever this look is, ain't it. All right, look. I'm not even joking. I had to pause you guys because I had to go make a phone call real quick because I was really freaking out. My hair is like falling out. No wonder my mom, she said, don't perm your hair. You don't have bad hair. Don't perm your hair. Like, I promise you, like, some pieces came out straight because my hair wasn't, like, I don't know, but look. All right, watch. Y'all see there's nothing on my hands, right? Watch this. My hair's falling out. I'm trying so hard not to like freak out about it, but it's really freaking me out. It's just coming out. I don't know why I did this to myself. Look. My hair's just gonna fall out. I can't with this. I can't. I'm over this whole video. I put the conditioner, I let it sit. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Don't use that because your hair is gonna fall out. Ah! Your hair is gonna fall out. I'm holding my own hair, it's falling out. I can't. I'm over it. Like, what the? It's falling out. What can you do? But you know, I'm gonna learn my lesson sooner or later. Probably gonna perm it again after it grows back. And gonna catch up with you guys later. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know how you guys feel in the comments below. And I will get back to you.